Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to change the background of the photo. First of all, get in your Google or Chrome, anywhere you want, and type background remover. As you can see, click on background remover. Then after there is a website called remove.bg. Then click on it. After that, automatically it takes you to this place. Then there is a photo that you want to change the background of it. Then select the photo and drag on this website like the way I'm doing here. Automatically it is scanning, and after scan in a few seconds the background will be cleared, and we can put any background we want. So if you wanna just take the photo as it is like this, then you can just download direct. But if we wanted to change the background, you can get in background, and there are an option. There is a photo, there is a color. For example, the background is removed, all the background is removed. Then if I wanted to change to this color, then just easily click on the color and it will be changed. You can easily select and change any color the way I am doing. And if you want another photo like this, you can just there is automatically prepared photo from this website. You can just use those photos and change your background. After you change your background, you can also download this photo. So just click on here, download. Then after, you can click on free, and as you can see, it has downloaded for me automatically. As you can see here, our background has changed. And also we can put our own photo by using this plus sign. You can use your own photo and change any background easily by this way. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.